Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 17th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and I'm on the daily time frame to start with. Because yesterday's daily time frame did engulf the previous candle, so we likely do at least have the end of this wave. Now, what's coming next? Is it a wave one, wave two, wave three that just finished, and now we're probably in a wave four, and then it's going to go up for a wave five? Or is this actually like a WXY on the weekly, meaning that this is one, two, three waves up for a Y, and that's the completion of a wave B, and this potentially is going to turn into a big old giant downtrend? I have no idea what it's going to do, and nobody does. But now that it's engulfing down, I definitely am looking for shorts on these sort of time frames. Got my Fibonacci retracement on here. This move up definitely looks a little bit like a trend, so I mean, it definitely could, make more of a proper three-way pullback. But either way, I am definitely looking for shorts. I'm looking for Fibonacci bounces. A three-way pullback would definitely be nice. Whether it really does that or not, we'll find out. But definitely looking for shorts. While hopefully I learn and earn whether this is a wave four on the daily or whether it's a complete trend reversal and the wave B is complete. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.